Happy Turkey Day, everybody. I hope all of you guys are spending your quality time with your family members. If you aren't, go do it right now. Actually, by the time I uploaded this video, it'll probably already be past Thanksgiving. Happy late Thanksgiving, guys. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I haven't had mine just yet. Past tense, Eric hasn't had it just yet. But I'm assuming by the time this has been uploaded, I'll be stuffed and probably hospitalized. I know. I should probably be home with my family right now on Thanksgiving at this hour. But if I didn't get to this task today, guys, I probably wouldn't have gotten it till like mid next week. This is for a friend / business associate. So I kind of just had to come out and do it. I mean, you got to keep those business connections tight, guys. Can't just leave them to the side after you've used them or something like that. Gotta keep them strong. That's why I took a little bit of time out of my day to come out here and finish the inspection. Originally, he called us up for some pretty major issues that he's having with the house. It wasn't until later on that he lets me know that he wants to add some additional work. But we didn't really do a full inspection of the house, so we kind of only inspected the areas that he told us to inspect. So I'm here. I've already taken a couple of pictures here and put them in my laptop and everything, so I can refer to those later when doing the quote. One of the larger issues is water has been seeping through the chimney side. So basically where the chimney is, there seems to be water leaking into the home. I didn't bring a ladder here, but I'm trying out a different method with that thing right there. So keep in mind, there's nobody in this house, and this is a pretty much dead area. If there's any harm to come from this incident, it's the deer that are going to harm me, because there are a bunch of them out here, guys, and they are fearless. They are fearless. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the drone, and I'm going to go back there, find a nice open spot so we can get liftoff. I've already taken pictures with my phone and with my camera, so there's that. I just need to get some video footage of what's going on up on that roof, guys. So let's go check it out. All right, boys. House is right behind me. And look what we got over there. There are a bunch of deer out here, guys, and as I was saying, I am trying a different method of inspecting this house using this thing. This is DJI's newest. It's not the Mavic 2. This is better. Hasn't come out. I'm not even supposed to tell you guys. I'm just kidding. It's just a regular Mavic Pro, obviously stickered up because you just gotta. We gotta go inspect that roof up there, and I'm gonna use this guy. Nobody's in the house. Nobody's around except deadly deer, so should be interesting. Okay, we got some damage right up there. This thing's pointing right on it. Got some up there, and maybe you'll be able to see. There's a huge hole. Yeah, I don't have the proper lens for this one, guys, but there's a huge hole like right there in the facade, and I think a raccoon did that. That's pretty easy to believe because I mean you got trees right here, so this guy's just gonna be doop 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 jumping in there. He's gonna go to town on that insulation. And got himself a new home. So I'm gonna be out here looking for a spot to place my camera and pretty much lift off. There really is no good spot here, so I'm gonna have to free ball it. Okay, hopefully y'all can at least hear me. I got the drone right here. We're gonna go ahead and set this guy up in the air, and I'm just gonna do some visual inspections, get some footage, record, take pictures, get as close as I can to the roof and all the other damage, and that's it. We'll be good to go. Okay, so I'm getting the roof. Wow, this roof is in really poor condition. Yeah, the shingles definitely need to be replaced. Let's go ahead and look at the area. Area of interest is right here, this chimney. You can see it. Oh yeah, you can definitely, there's some cracks in there. I'm gonna see if I can lower that up. Yep, we got some cracks there. Whole lot of water is concentrated in this area, so you can just see all of that. You can just tell. Don't want to get too close. Just want to get another visual inspection over here. Yep. Gonna see how close I can get this thing. Wow. Oh yeah, we definitely got cracks. Okay, yeah, we got a crack over here. That looks about it, but you can definitely tell a lot of water concentrated in this area. So that'll probably explain the whole water inside the home incident. So let's go ahead and keep looking around here. Oh my gosh, look at all that, guys. That's just, whew. I'd say it needs to be changed. Want to keep an eye on that drone too. Let's go ahead and bring it back. Get it down for a touchdown landing. That's gonna cut it. Alright, that's gonna do it. We got the drone back, we got footage. I'm gonna turn all this stuff off. There we go. Turn the controller off. And I'm gonna go ahead and start packing things up, guys. Just another reminder, guys, this is something you wanna rarely do. I mean, you gotta confirm, you have to double check, make sure there's no other bystanders around, the family, nobody else is around, just you when you're conducting the operation. Basically, your basic drone flying checklist, guys. I mean, you gotta keep your eyes out for your surroundings, always gotta keep an eye on the drone, you don't wanna bump into the house or anything like that. So bear that in mind. Maybe you wanna practice around your flying before you do something like that, flying in somebody else's property. As always, you gotta get that permission slip, guys, gotta get that permission slip. It's a pretty interesting topic, really, if you get down to it, guys, because I mean, drones, AI, all that stuff is kind of the future, if you will. It is the future, I should say, actually. And if you've ever heard of Michio Kaku, very famous dude, can't pronounce his name, I apologize. Very famous astrophysicist slash futurist slash very interesting guy. Michio Kaku, hope I'm saying his name right, said that construction is one of the few jobs where robots will not be able to completely take over.
I tell people that semi-skilled work will be with us for many decades to come, including garbage men, sanitation workers, plumbers, policemen, gardeners, construction workers. You see, robots cannot pick up garbage. Robots cannot design a garden. Robots cannot solve a crime. We forget that robots are very bad at pattern recognition. Robots cannot fix your toilet, and they probably won't be able to for many decades to come.
And I think so. I stand by that, guys. I mean, come on, you're not gonna see a Phantom 4 just with a little mechanical arm sticking out, just hammering nails into a wall, guys. Come on. Nah, not anytime soon. But it is a very interesting topic to see how far drones, robots, AIs can get in the construction field, because it's already there if you look at it. I mean, you already got people, you already got surveyors, you know, ones who survey the land. You already got those people using drones and their software that they have programmed and things of that caliber. So we're not too far away from it, guys. But again, there's still that threshold. Let me know your opinions, guys, on robots, AI, drones, everything in the construction field. Just let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is a good thing? Is this a bad thing? Is it going to take our job? Or is it going to make our lives easier? Let me know, guys. I'm done ranting. And there you have it, guys. Another method to inspect a home. I mean, sure, you could bring a 30-foot ladder. Sure, it might be $50 for that ladder. Or, hear me out now, you could buy one of these bad boys. Ask yourself which one's safer. I'm joking, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, honestly, I really think it's an interesting method. They've been using these drones for all sorts of things, from park rangers using them to rescue, search and rescue for people, farmers using them as agricultural tools. I mean, these things are pretty dangerous where they're heading. I'm a little concerned right now for drones. I mean, AI is getting up there, but I think that's probably later on, and that's something for my kids to worry about, not so much me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, love, subscribe to yours truly. Definitely gonna be a lot more videos coming out soon. I mean, it's the holidays, so things can get a little hectic and busy. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this one. Be sure to do everything I just said a couple of seconds ago, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace! Would you look at all those dogs? Yeah, I'm talking to you. That's what I thought. Get your Bambi ass walking away.